Hi, good day. I am Angel Anastacio from STEM 12 St. PB. I am here to present or explain the cell structure analogy. I used the Bikini bottom or SpongeBob theme to relate it with the organelles, which is this virtual presentation. In here, we have the police station as my cell membrane, for they control what goes in and out of the cell or the Bikini bottom, just like how nuclear membrane encloses the DNA within the nucleus and protects it from the substances in the cytoplasm. They also protect and support what's inside. Our second organelle is ribosomes. This organelle is involved in the process of making protein and is called protein synthesis, which is why I chose Krusty Krab, for it produces food and bring raw materials together. Vacuole as my supermarket, for it store items and substances. Lysosomes as my junkyard, for it break down wastes and extra materials by disposing them. Cilia transport cells, just like how airports transport people from one place to another. And then RAP endoplasmic reticulum as the streets of Bikini Bottom, where city cars travel, for ribosomes travel by RAP-ER. And then manufacturing plant as SOP-ER, for it makes both proteins and fats. And chromosomes as my Krabby Patty formula, for it carries information or codes, just like how chromosomes carries hereditary information in the form of genes. Brick wall as protein, for it is a building blocks, just like how proteins provide structural support by acting as enzymes and hormones. Courthouse as my centriole, for it helps in organizing laws and make the city run smoothly. Coral fields as chloroplast, for it captures energy from the sun, just like how chloroplast is responsible with the process of photosynthesis. Town hall as my nuclear envelope, for it protects the control center or the nucleus. Office of town hall as nucleus, an area where all the main information is stored, which helps in protein synthesis. Peroxisome, a street cleaner, for its function is to keep the cell or the city clean. Microfilaments as the background of the Bikini bottom. They are bundles that give support to the cell. Nucleus as King Neptune, for he is the one who controls the Bikini bottom or is in charge of everything inside the city, which is related to nucleus's purpose as the brain of the cell. Golgi apparatus as post office, for it is responsible for the processing the delivery of ER. It also packages materials and transport protein to different parts of the cell. And lastly, we have the mitochondria. It is the site of cellular respiration and the production of ATP energy molecules, which gave it the title powerhouse of the cell. And this function is related to Mr. Krabs, for he is the owner of the site or the Krusty Krab that is responsible in the process of making protein. And that's all. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something and that I explained it well. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel for more information about cell structure. Thank you.